Burke Electric, we are an electrical contractor in Southern Illinois. We're based in Murfreesboro, Illinois, proud to be in Murfreesboro, Illinois. We started working with StraightUp Solar. We had a friend at Johnny Logan. They needed a contractor to work with to help them install, and we needed an opportunity to get into solar, and so it worked out pretty good to where we met up on the Johnny Logan solar array, created a friendship with them, and learned a lot from them on that job.
Burke Electric stood out to us. They have a reputable name, they do good quality work, and they're committed to excellent customer service.
StraightUp Solar, often on these residential projects, they will take care of doing the racking and the modules, and then we take care of what I guess most people would consider to be generic electrical work. Running the wire, running the conduit, making the final terminations on circuit breakers, making terminations in the inverters. Everybody that comes out to work for us is an IBEW electrician, has been trained. And so there's that value that StraightUp Solar is getting highly trained individuals to come work for them, men and women to come work on their jobs.
We learn a lot. Every day you can learn something new because technology with solar is going so fast, you're constantly learning stuff on the fly. And StraightUp Solar is very knowledgeable when it comes to solar.
A local electrician that does quality work is important because they live in the community that they're serving, and they care about the people and the community that's here. And whenever we come to install our solar system, it is a 25-year product, so we want to make sure we partner with somebody that cares about the community as much as we do.
The benefit of us working with StraightUp Solar is they've got the expertise, they've got the long-term experience when it comes to installing solar. We value that. We respect them, the fact that they've invited us in and been very friendly and kind to us and generous, and bringing us along on a lot of their projects and treating us like a business partner. It's been a great experience.